Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new Abyssinian cat from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start off by drawing the nose with an angled line on the left. And then from the center of this line, let's draw an angle down this way. Now at the bottom, let's curve it with two curves like this. And now connect the sides on the right to finish off the nose. Let's draw the shape of the face next. Start above the nose and bring it up, over to the right, and then curve it back down, and all the way back around under the nose. You should end up with a sort of oval shape head. Let's draw the eyes next. On the right, let's draw a circle. Let's draw the left eye now. On the left above the nose, let's draw a curve here. And then a curve out to the left to form a semicircle. Now let's color both eyes in black. Next, let's draw the pattern around the eyes. Underneath the right eye, let's draw a curve over and then back up like this. And now let's do the same thing on the top, but we're going to leave a little bit of a gap on the left side. So start a little bit over and then draw a curve over to the side. Now for the left side, let's curve it up and over to the right, above the eye. And then the same thing underneath, coming to a point. Now for the left eye, we're going to draw a curve underneath to the nose. And then from the top of the nose, we're going to curve it up and to the left. And lastly, above the left eye, let's draw a V shape like this. Next, let's draw the whiskers. On the left side of the nose, let's draw 3 lines outwards. And then 3 whiskers on the right cheek. Let's draw the ears next. On the top left of the head, let's draw a large pointed V shape upwards. And now inside, let's draw one more curve down the center. Next, I'm going to draw some stripes inside the left side of the ear. You can draw them in black now, or you can draw them in orange later. Now let's move to the right side, and we're going to draw a curve inside the head here. And then a diagonal line up at the bottom. Now let's draw the shape of the ear with a pointed V up. Next, let's erase the headline inside the ear. Now inside the ear, let's draw a border along the sides. And now just like the other ear, I'm going to draw some stripes inside. I'm going to draw them black now and change them orange later. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Let's start on the right side of the head and draw a curve over, down, back around to the left, and up underneath the head. Now let's add the tail at the end. On the top right here, let's draw a loop out and back in. Let's draw the feet now. Underneath the left side of the body, let's draw a curve here. And now curve underneath to close off the foot. Now let's draw another same shape over to the right and a little bit lower. And then a third foot over on the right here. And then we're going to add one more foot that's tucked under the body here. Let's start by drawing a curve underneath the body over to the right like this. And then one curve on the right. And that's it for this cute Abyssinian cat pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!